have an object that you want to create a cool background, here's a very easy and quick tip or quick trick to it. So let's say our default cube is our um, object of interest. So maybe we should like move it up a bit. Maybe let's make it subdivided so it doesn't look. Oh wait, maybe we should add two subdivisions. Like make this one simple and make this one. There you go. Now it looks a wee bit more interesting. Yeah, anyway. Yeah, I forgot to tell you this channel doesn't delete default cube. Um, we don't add to those people who murder default cubes. Anyway, so yeah, we want to have like a nice scene for the cube or whatever item you might have in here. So let's go with this simple trick. So yeah, I've added the plane. Maybe it's good to like apply the scaling as well. Make sure whenever you do something, apply it as it's mostly necessary for most tricks like bevel, boolean, and stuff. Just make sure you say first if you're unsure. Anyway, so apply the scaling, and then let's like subdivide this one for like 96. I always use stuff that's divisible by 8. Let's see, let's add, so it doesn't really matter, but it's been like a habit of mine to use numbers that are divisible by 8. I've been a programmer, so yeah, it's been like that. So wait, I've not been telling you what should be, what are we doing. So yeah, I've applied a displace modifier on this plane, and then I click this one. It says show texture on tab. Then I selected clouds, although we could use like images, we could use different stuff, but for this particular video, we'll use clouds. I will make separate or different videos for each one of those, but for now let's use clouds. Then we want to make these thing like bigger, like much bigger. Let's see, let's set this to 0 so it doesn't like doesn't have too much noise to it. Okay, I think that's pretty much good. Let's see, let's play around with this one. Yeah, I think this one should be 0. Strength, let's see. Nah, let's try and keep it at 1. It looks good. Okay, that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching. Bye. No, not yet. We need to add a shader. We need to add a material for this one. Let's switch to render mode, render view. Let's just adjust the camera later. So we'll need to add a layer weight and a color ramp. I mostly love using this layer weight because it makes weird stuff. See? You can actually make stuff nice by just using, let's just turn off this one for now. So we just need to adjust these sliders to make the black sides more black and white sides more white. It's like adjusting, you can actually use a different um, node here, but color ramp is good enough. Oh, yeah. It's mostly eyeballing it, like just whatever you feel like it. Yeah, I think that's good enough. Now, since we can't see the object that we want to, like, I mean, we're making this cool background for the object. Without the light, we can't see it. And with the light, we kind of broke the design, so we can't use principal BSDF because this one have a lot of things that affects the light. So let's just go with simple emission. Let's just connect it here, and voila. Maybe let's make it 2. Then just pick a color that, you know, interests you. Maybe purple, because our channel is purple, so yeah. Render view. There you go. So yeah, if you're going to animate, you can actually animate this one, because as you can see, there's a coordinates under the texture. So you can actually like move the texture along the X or Y axis, but it's gonna be easier if you just use like an empty to control it. So just add an empty. Actually, you can use any object if you want, but make sure you select it here, and then click the empty, then move the empty, so it moves like that. So to automate the automation, let's just add a driver frame over 120. Do the same here. Yeah, let's just do the axis frame over 120. Play it. There you go. We have a cool animation. Now for the lighting, of course, although the we could drop the background to like that, and of course it would help if you could like set your camera like focus like towards here. So enable depth of field, click on here, then make the f-stop like I think you need to make it smaller, and let's try and move this one towards the X, so it's barely like that. Wait, let's go back to the depth of field because I'm not actually seeing some depth in it. Oh, I'm blind. There you go. Not too much. Let's not overdo it. Yeah, I think that's fine. There you go. Now for the lighting, although that's not the actual topic of this, but yeah, we could do some stuff with the lighting. Like we could apply the tree. Where's it located? Okay. Let's change the color so it kind of looks cool. Let's see that. Oh, where's the other light? Uh-oh. Oh, it's here. Let's make it bright orange at the back. Oh, dang. There you go. No, it's kind of lackluster. Maybe we need some lighting below. If we add, let's see, how about we increase? No, it's too It's too much. I guess we need some light below, like something that would make the bottom of this one glow. Let's see, how about we add a, how about a torus? Yeah, let's try this one. Let's make it a wee big like that. Like we're using like a fluorescent thing below. Uh, let's try and add a material for it. Of course, we don't want it to be catching light, so we're just using an emission node here. Let's copy whatever color we have here and then put it here, and like maybe 5. Oh, let's try and render it. I don't know if, oh wait a minute. Let me show you the result. I know you can't see the render window, so let's just view it here. Viewer. And something happened here, so yeah, I think we didn't have matching stuff. There you go. Yeah, it's quite nice, but now the fabric is like all over it, so maybe we could prevent these parts from like overflowing. So yeah, let's try that. I guess we'll need to use weight paint, not wet paint, just weight paint. Let's see. Oh, maybe around here. Just enough to cover the whole thing. The part that we don't want moving. Then let's go back to object mode. And then use that data here. There you go. Oh no. Anyway, just reverse the selection and voila. Maybe we should hide this a bit. Like lower it like that. Does it look cool now? I don't know. It's up to you. I mean, yeah, I'm just giving out suggestions for future reference. Maybe you find it useful, maybe not. It's up to you. If you find it cool, then good, use it. If not, then don't. Yeah, I guess that's about it. Let's do a final render. Oh. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just giving out concepts, so it's up to you if you want to apply it. So yeah, that's about it. Maybe you could like add a backlight over here. Well, let's try and do that. Let's say we have another, wait, how long are we? I'm not supposed to be uploading huge or long videos over let's move this one around here, flip it like that. Oh, yeah, we kinda have the bright lamp over here, so it might be best to like move it very far, like that. And then scale it over here like that. Yeah, like that. Dang. Let's just set the. I don't know, I'm just making up stuff right now. So let's add a cylinder. Let's make it really long, like 2K. Oh, dang. 90 degrees. Oops, wrong. Let's make it really long, like that. And then let's dip it downwards. Move it back a bit. And apply. Let's just reuse the glow stuff. Let's see. Oh, where's our camera? Let's move this one backwards so it doesn't appear. Dang. I think it's not bright enough to affect this one. Let's just add a material to it. First, let's try to make this one like glow really bright and hide it a bit. Dang, it's too bright. Oh wait, I kinda remember that we are not actually seeing it the way it is. Let me try and render it. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's a weird effect that let me show you. There's a weird effect because I changed the material. Let's see. Let's make it rough a little bit. Oh, where's my mouse? Rough a little bit. Come on. Let's try and move this up a bit. And maybe shorten it a bit. Move it up a bit. Maybe change the angle a little bit. I really can't see it. Yeah, I think that's the limitation of EV. If we switch to cycles, it would have looked different. Let's see. Yeah, but I kind of want it to be on EV. Let's just play around with it a bit. Let's say we have it at 10. Oh, it's too bright. Still too much. Since I made it like smaller, let's make it longer but hidden from view. Let's make this one wider. There you go. Let's do a final render. Oh, definitely looks better now. Yeah, so yeah, that's about it. And I hope you find use for it. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye!